Good day guys, today I'm going to show you the new features of iMovie video editor. In case you don't know, iMovie is a free video editor for Apple computer, for MacBook, for iOS device. Yeah, and they just added new features, and this is the one. As you can see in here, this filter. If you click that, it will show here none, audio effect none, but once you click it, this one will comes out here. And as you can see, these are all the, there are more now. Look, this is no filter, flip, black and white, nowhere, silent era, comic basic, comic cool, comic ink, comic mono, vintage, camo, heat wave, blockbuster, vintage, western, film grain, AIDS film, sepia, vignette, romantic, blitz and bypass, hard light, blast, blue, cartoon, glow, old world, flashback, dreamy, raster, day into night. Oh, day into night. Nice. I will be able to use this for my video editor. X-ray, negative, sci-fi, Doton. Yeah, so they are the new additional features of iMovie. Yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching guys. Ciao.